How to enable dark mode on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of how to guide. In this quick guide video, I'm going to show you the way that you can enable or turn on dark mode on your Facebook Messenger. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick to this video till the end without skipping any part. Now if you have your Messenger turned on light mode, the way that you can turn it on dark mode is just tap on the three lines that you see on the top left. From this section, you'll see this menu. Tap on the settings icon or the gear icon on the top right. Now through this section, the first option you'll see is dark mode. By default, it would be set to system. So the system means the mode that you have set for your device. If you have set dark mode for your device and if you tap the system option, your Messenger will also be turned on dark mode. As you can see, it turned on mine. But if your phone is not set to dark mode, the way that you can set your Messenger on dark mode is by tapping on this on option. Once you do, your Messenger will immediately be turned to dark mode. And like I said, there's two ways that you can do it. Either you can select the system default or you can just tap on. So that was a real quick and easy video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a like. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching.